Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Here's your friend Parshva, and today we are going to have a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So without any further ado, first let's open this packing. So this is the Indian SIM card only. So first here, as we can see, the Note 10 Plus branding and the S Pen, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So this is the MRP, as you guys can see, 85,000 rupees. I'll have the latest link for you guys to buy it. So now let's unbox it. So over here there are some of its features. So this is the 256GB variant, and it has got a 6.8 full rectangle Super AMOLED display, quad HD. So here you have got a super dual pixel 12 megapixel with a variable aperture, that's 1.5 to 2.4, which we'll be having a look at it in a second. You got a ultra wide 16 megapixel. You get a 12 megapixel and depth vision camera. You also get a dual pixel 10 megapixels front facing selfie camera, ultrasonic fingerprint, S Pen with air action, and as I already said, it is a 256GB variant with a 12GB RAM. It has got stereo speakers and earphones, sound by AKG, supercharging and fast wireless charging, and the wireless power share and IP68 water and dust resistant it is. So now let's unbox it. This just doesn't want to come out. So here is the device. Let's keep that aside and have a look at it, what else you get inside. So over here you get the SIM ejecting tool, and I think here will be some paperwork and a clear TPU case. So let's keep all this aside. So here is the device. Let's keep this aside for a moment. So here is the fast charging Samsung brick, trial brick. It is a 25 megawatt charger, super charging. Over here, and this is the S Pen tips. So let's remove it and show it to you guys. Here is a pen and the tips are inside it. Let's see. And see what else you get inside. So here is the charging cable, and these are the AKG powered earphones that you get inside with it. So let's come to the main device and have a look at it. So the color, as you guys can see, it is, as the light falls on it, the color changes accordingly. It looks beautiful. So now let's have a look at the overview of the product, and then we'll have a look at the inside features that what you get. So here is a 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display. So as we switch it on, you will be able to see it. So on the bottom you get the speaker, microphone, charging port, speaker grills, the S Pen. So the S Pen has become comparatively much more lighter and smaller. On the side, nothing, no buttons. And on this side, on the top, you get the secondary microphone, and I don't know what actually this is for. This is the SIM slot, so let's have a look at it. So this is a hybrid slim slot where you get a single SIM slot and a micro SD slot, or you can use both as a 2 SIM card slot. So that's pretty good. On this side you get the power key and the volume rocker, and that's it. So in this phone there is no Bixby key. So that's it. Now let's switch it on. So this thing has come with pre-installed screen guard. I hope you guys can see a little line. It is a plastic line. So that's good. The color is just really mesmerizing. So I'll just set it up and get back to you guys. So the setup is complete. So that's how the screen looks, and it looks beautiful. Just edge to edge display and just nothing else. So it's really very nice, and I don't even feel that the center punch hole for the camera is even bothering me at all. So this screen feels really very immersing while you might be playing the games or watching any kind of movie. It will be really very nice for you. So just by swiping you get the Bixby activated over here. Over here is the other launching apps. So it comes with Netflix app pre-downloaded. So that's what all you get. So now let's first have a look at the software update, software that you get from here. So here is the Android version 9. So this is what and it will be getting other updates also, and that's all. So the Android security patch is for July 1st 2019. And let's see how much storage you get out of 264 GB. Storage. So out of 256 GB, 31 GB has been used by the phone, and the remaining available space is the 224 GB. So that's pretty good enough for anyone, and I don't think anyone will need more space on their handset, but still you can't say. So that's how it looks in the hand. So now let's have a look at the overview of it. So this has come with an Exynos A9825 octa-core processor and 6.8 QHD dynamic AMOLED screen display with a 19.9 aspect ratio, 12 GB RAM. It comes with 256 GB and 512 GB internal storage variant. It has got dual nano SIM, as which I already told you, and a hybrid slim slot with the secondary SIM. And it has got triple rear camera, that's the 12 megapixel with a variable aperture, that's 1.5 to 2.4, with a 16 megapixel wide angle and a 12 megapixel with 2x zoom. The front camera is of 10 megapixel with a 2.2 aperture. It has got a 4300 mAh battery, and it has also got fast charging support, ultrasonic fingerprint, Android Pie, and an S Pen. So now let's check the camera. So this is the camera, that's what you get over here. So let's take a picture of this plant. So this is how it is. The picture is really very saturated, as all the Samsung camera has it over saturation. So now let me show you what's the difference between the wide, the 2x zoom, and so this is the normal one. Now let's click it over here. That's the wide. As you guys get, there's some kind of distortion if you know what I'm talking about. And this is the 2x zoom. So it has already detected over here as it's a plant. It has got different modes: the live focus, the pro mode, panorama, night, food, and over here it got the video mode, live focus mode, super slow-mo, and slow motion, hyperlapse. So you can edit it and you can select which all you want to be there on your screen. So that's nice. So this was the rear camera. Now let's switch it on to the front facing camera and have a look at it. Hi guys. So as you guys can see, it is applying some kind of beauty mode on my face as the skin has been softened, and I am actually not a fan of that, but as Samsung has it. So this is the wide and this is the normal version. So that's how it is. And let me show you a thing. So when you switch on the camera, you will see a circle rotating around the front facing camera, so that it's a really nice animation or whatever the thing is. So, as you guys saw it, yes. So that's a really very small and a nice touch that the Samsung has given it. That's it. It has got a feature where you can just don't have to press the button. You can just switch it off and restart it just by clicking and dropping down the upper bar menu by like that. So that's what all you get it. And the main feature of the Note is the S Pen. So you can use the features. So let's try some gesture. So I think it only works in the camera mode, so let's open it. So as you guys can see, it switched to video mode, live focus. So that's a really nice and amazing feature. You can also take picture using that. So just took a picture. Take selfie easily by press the pen button and hold your palm to automatically take a selfie. So as there are many features if you go in depth, but I actually don't want to make the video long, so I'm just making an overview and unboxing video of this one. So that's all guys for the overview and the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let me know how you feel about the smartphone in the comment section below, and thank you and see you soon in the next video. See you guys.